Hi everyone. We're going to do a little bit of practice. We're going to make landscape. Let's fold the paper. Fold it hot dog style. And fold it again. That's a very skinny hot dog bun. Open it up so that you have four separate spaces. Okay. So I have four separate spaces to work with. On the bottom space, I'm going to write the word foreground. So please write the word foreground. Don't make any mistakes like I just did. And then the second space, I'm going to turn the paper and write the word mid ground, the middle ground. But you can just write mid, M-I-D, ground. And then the next space up is going to be the background, one word. In the foreground, we should draw some shapes, very kind of big shapes. Draw kind of big, couple of triangles maybe. You can draw any sort of shape you want. Just make sure that when we're doing this in the foreground that they're big. And I want you to notice that the shapes are going into the middle ground. That's okay. Because they're big, they have to go into the middle ground. Then in the middle ground, we have some smaller shapes. And it's okay to go outside the lines. We just folded those lines to make a general area, but it's okay to go outside the lines. So I have 6 shapes that are medium-sized. Now in the background, they're going to be really small. So those are kind of small circles. Here's a small rectangle. They start to get smaller the farther back they go. And I have several small ones. Now I want to draw kind of a little hill in the foreground. Then there's a little hill in the middle ground. You can make some rocky terrain there if you want to, some rocky edges. And then the background also has a hill. So that my objects have something to be sitting on. And that's our practice landscape with the foreground, middle ground, and background.